What is up, YouTube? Back for a quick video on the 24 Brap Daddy. Today we're just going to be replacing the stinky J&L Oil Separator lines. So I was smelling something from under the hood that smelled like it was leaking oil or gas, and I found out that it was the lines coming from the oil separator. Turns out I had the first revision of the hoses, and J&L has since updated them. So because of that, I contacted them and they sent me these new revised hoses, which are much more durable and are not giving off any smell at all. They come with the attachments ready to install, and I'm going to show you how to put them on. First step is grab yourself a sharp razor. You're going to cut off that silicone beauty cover. Then you're going to cut off the end of the hose that's on the barbed fitting on the catch can. Give that some twists and it'll pop right off. Then just disconnect it from the PCV port on the top of the engine and you can remove that hose. Then you're going to grab your new and improved hose. You're going to route that however you want through the engine bay so it's concealed to your liking, and then you're just going to shove that onto that barbed fitting. You might need a little bit of grease, but otherwise if you're a strong boy like me, you can shove that right on there and it'll go on with no problem. Then you're going to work your way over to the second hose. Again, with that razor, just cut off that beauty cover, cut off the end of the hose on the barbed fitting, twist it right off, and then you're going to install the new one, route it as you see fit, connect the PCV port, and you're all good to go. All right, guys, and there you have it. 5 minutes, we're all done. Just slice these suckers up, unplug them right here, snap on the new ones, run the lines the way that you see fit, and we're all done. And they smell way better than these Johns. So thanks for watching. If any of you guys have the same issue with your J&L oil separator setup, be sure to contact them. Their customer service was phenomenal. No problems, no price on shipping. Sent these to me, got them in a couple days. So awesome customer service. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and appreciate the support.